Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and as you already read the title, today's video is going to be a Yes Style haul. And this is the first time. Always, like before, if you've checked my Yes Style videos, I shopped skincare from Yes Style and clothing from Yes Style. So this time I wanted to try something different. I also checked that they have accessories and stationeries, cute decor items as well. So I thought, why not check out their products? And I shopped some products in from their decor items and their accessories. So if you've checked my previous video, I told you guys that I have my own studio. So this is my studio, some of the decor items which I've already shopped from some other website. So few more I shop from Yes Style. So today I'm going to share with you all, and this is my first time experience. If I like or did not like, I'm going to share my feedback in this video. So if you like any of the items from Yes Style, do check out the link in my description box below. Also, you can use my code, the reward code PAM Station, all in capitals, PAM Station, and you can get 5% off in your cart. And again, the second time, if you use my code, you will again get some discount in your cart. So don't forget to check the link in my description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, please do subscribe my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Just Chill with Pam. I will be sharing all the link in my description box below. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly, let me show you guys, because this was already hanging on my wall. So this is a dream catcher. It looks so beautiful and simple. I really love the work. This is very delicate. This is a beautiful butterflies going on, detailing going on here, and the feather is in white. I wanted in pink, bluish feathers also was available, but it was out of stock at that time, so I couldn't wait for 7 weeks, or it was 7 to 14 days only for one product, and other product was available for 24 hours. So you need to check out, when you shop, that which products are available in 24 hours, so that you can get as soon as possible. So this is the dream catcher. So the prices I will mention on the screen somewhere, what price I got and how much was the discount. So this is Priyanka feather dream catcher hanging decoration. This is in the white one size only. There was in the feather which is there, the detailing, this was in pink and blue, but it was not available. So you can check which product is available, and this is super cute. I was hanging already on the wall. I will share somewhere on the screen how it shows. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see I have already shared a story when I received it. The secondly I wanted to share, I want to try their shawl. This shawl, Rita Zita light plaid scarf. Sorry, this is not a shawl, this is a scarf. That's why no wonder it is so thin. Can you see? It is actually thin. So I was thinking this is a shawl, but this is not a shawl because the model in the picture was wearing like a shawl. This is a scarf. So either you can just tie it on your hair, or just style it like this. So it during winters, or if you're wearing a jacket, it will definitely look nice. So there were in many colors, so I took something which is in beige and this red and gray line. So the next item I ordered was this cute decor. It's a showpiece. There were in 3 or 4 more. I think this is a lamp. It's so cute. Can you see that? It looks like this. There's a beautiful flowers, the crown she's wearing, and I would like to place this in my background. If you guys can see background, or maybe if I want to show in the Instagram any product. Rose hoop raisin animal ornament. So there was in blue and in brown, and I took this is in peach. So that is my third item. Okay, the next one is this lazy corner coral fleece hair drying towel. I haven't yet opened any of the packaging, so I thought, like, why not just check on the live. So this is a towel, like after hair wash you can just put this like this, okay, and take all your hair behind, turn it round, and then there is this thing, you just put it back. So I'll show you guys a picture if I'll able to. So this is the way it will look. So that's the towel. So I'm really excited to try this, whether this soaks all my water from my hair or no. I will definitely share you guys the feedback on my Instagram story, so follow me there. The next I have is from me reversible wide brim bucket hat. It's a navy blue, one size. So there was in yellow, there was in nude pink, dark blue and navy blue. I took this in navy blue. So that's how it is. It's a bucket hat. It looks like this. Cute, isn't it? And I think it's mentioned reversible. That means even you can use it this way. If you want to use a nude white color, you can use in white, or you can use in blue. So that's how it is. I really like it, so I thought like do a photo shoot or something in this. It's very cute if you want to go to a beach. It's superb, and really love the material, the quality, everything is just perfect. I'll just throw this down. So it's so pretty. I really love it. I don't know, I'm just waiting to wear this and go to some beach. So it just comes in one size, and this was also on a good deal. So check the link in my description box, and don't forget to use my code PAMStation. Yeah, definitely buy this. It's very nice. This is something for kitchen. This is like this is very common item, but I wanted to check of Yes Style. Like if any leftover food, you keep it in a bowl and you can just cover it with this silicone. Depends upon your bowl size. So you can just cover it like this tight, and the food remains fresh. So there was in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The smallest size is also there. Look at this. This is the smallest size. So there was in 1, 2, 3, 6 sizes, from the biggest one till the smallest one. So this was also in a good deal. So I just thought like, why not give this a try. I had this, but I had only 3, and the biggest size I got it here. So that's the reason I just took this. The next I took this is to hang ties or belt in your wardrobe. So this came separate, so I just fixed it. It's very easy to fix it. So you just hang it in your wardrobe, and you can hang all your belt, or if you have ties or anything, maybe jewelry or umbrella, anything, it will look nice and neat as well. Just hang it in your wardrobe. This is Yulu plastic belt scarf hanger. Very nice and strong and sturdy this is. So plastic is strong. The next I took is this brush set. This is Stroke of Beauty set of 12 makeup brushes. There was in many beautiful colors, so I just thought of taking in black. That's a set of, and our brushes are in white and even black. I don't know, it's mixed. I never saw that, but I was thinking it will be in black, but there are few in white and few in black. So we'll definitely use this. Most I have for eyeshadows. That's really nice eyeshadow brushes. So I'll try this and I'll let you guys know. I just randomly want to take without any number specs, the not sunglasses, sorry, it's like normal glasses for Instagram fun reel. So that's how it is. So really love the golden frame. There was in silver, I think in black. So I just took this like some fun reel to act like a teacher or something. So that's it. So there are fun glasses as well in different shapes as well. The frames are amazing collection there. So do check out their glasses collection, and it comes in this kind of packaging. I didn't get any box for it. The next is these cute clips for your hair if you want to style. So you can just take little hair like this, and you can just place some flowers. Now I put pink, so I could put blue. See, this looks so pretty. Actually, this doesn't suits me, like not my age, but maybe you can wear it on your kids or just for fun for Instagram. I just took this. This looks so cute. Oh my god. I'm super excited to make video on reel. I just dropped one. I'll share this in my Instagram reel. So this comes in cute plastic box, so you can easily store it in that. The next product is also a hair product. This is the clip set, and you might have seen this in some other website as well. This was in really good deal. So I got a set of 5 clips in this. This is one. One comes in this way, then this way, and one is in this shape, and one is in this shape. It's like this crocodile, and I really love these ones. These are very simple ones. I'll just open and show you guys. See, there are 3 in this, so total 6 it comes. I think how to open this is just simple clip. Then this one is also bobby pin, and this is also one bobby pin, but this is just have one heart, and this is the best one. I really love this, but I wish I don't know if they have in different colors. The next, I just took one skincare product. I wanted to try their foot cream, so I took this foot cream. This is by Urea foot cream, Shiseido. I think the brand is Shiseido and Urea, I don't know. So that's what it is. So I'm super excited to try. This is for foot and hand cream. I don't know, there's no smell in this, so I'll definitely try and share my feedback on my Instagram. I wanted some fruit earrings, so this one I took in strawberry. I wanted in lemon and in watermelon, so this I did not get it, or I don't know whether that is also there. So this is in strawberry. That's so cute. So if in case I want to do any strawberry face mask or any skincare with strawberry, I'll wear strawberry earrings. So send me this complimentary COSRX cleansing kit. So there were, I think, 3 or 4 sachets. Yeah, this is a sachet which I received it, so I'll try. I have never tried any products by COSRX, so I'll check that out. I received 2. The next is kind of the bathroom decor, or even I think you can hang it in your own room. It is like this, and you also get 2 stickers to stick on your tiles. So this you need to stick it on your walls, and then they need to hang it like this, and this will be stuck on the wall. It's very nice. This is rod, so this is very strong. This is not plastic. I thought this was going to be plastic, but this is not plastic. This is a very nice iron rod material, and this is plastic, so I'm not sure whether this will take the weight of the iron rod. So I'm definitely not going to store any heavy products inside this. So whenever I'll stick this on my wall, I'll definitely share the pic on my Instagram. So what you have to do is follow me on my Instagram, just chill with Pam. And I think this is my last product. This is I need to join. There are all pieces, so these are the pieces. You can just, I'll share you guys a picture how it looks. Okay, so it looks something like this. I'll share on the screen. You can just change or hang cups, or you can hang showpiece like these ones, the cute showpiece ones. So you can just hang it on the wall, and maybe I will my room tour, when I'm the next video when I'm going to share my studio room, I'm definitely going to add these decor items and then share with you guys. So stay tuned for my studio room. And so that's my last item, and all the products I will be sharing the link in my description box. Till now all the products are very nice, perfect. The material is great, and the products are really strong and I really like the product quality. So if in case you're interested to buy any of the products, and yes, this t-shirt is from Yes Style as well. So the next video, please stay tuned for my studio room tour as well as a Yes Style clothing haul. So if in case you like this video and you watch this video till the end, thank you so much for watching. Click the link, all the links I'm sharing in my description box if you're interested to buy. Don't forget to use my code PAMStation to save some more, and follow me on my Instagram ID is Just Chill with Pam. Subscribe my channel. Please share my videos to all your friends and family on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you communicate with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.